How to withdraw money from Topcashback. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw money from Topcashback. So in order to withdraw money from Topcashback, you'll have to first of all log in, and after you're logged in, you need to navigate to payout. So within the section, you'll be able to see an option as payout or withdrawal section of your account on the account dashboard. This section is where you can manage your cashback earnings and choose how you can withdraw them. Once you've done that, you need to select the method of withdrawal, and then you need to provide the information. Now, Topcashback typically offer various withdrawal process such as bank transfer, PayPal gift card, and more. Now, depending on the withdrawal method you choose, you may need to enter additional details such as your bank account information from bank transfer or your PayPal email address or PayPal withdrawal. After you're done with that procedure, you need to enter the necessary detail, follow the prompt to request your withdrawal. Make sure to review the withdrawal to ensure accuracy. And once you've requested a withdrawal, Topcashback will process your request. These processing time may vary depending on the withdrawal method chosen and other factors. After that, you can receive the funds. That's basically how you can withdraw cash or money from Topcashback. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.